Hi guys, so today we in our university. Kamu want to unbox the souvenir that he get from Vietnam. Hanoi. Yay!
Hey guys!
I laugh so hard when you try to. Okay.
Thank you, View.
Yeah. First thing is this one. What is this, Kamu?
It's an elephant doll from Sapa by the Hmong people. Originated from China,
Okay.
and now they make really colorful dolls like this.
Yeah.
They make their own dyes to dye all this. They make cloth from hemp. That's a marijuana plant, guys.
But elephant represent Thailand.
Yeah, elephants.
What
And
next?
this is a special gift from my friend's mother, Guri Rupong,
How
and
it
his wife Tochi.
how it called?
I have no idea.
Okay.
My friend tells me it tastes really good, so let's try it. It's from Mahidol, near Haiphong, near the Halong Bay of Vietnam.
Okay.
Alright.
We can use elephant to help us.
Okay.
Ma, I tried with you. We have another guest too. Earth,
Please say hi.
say hi to our fan.
Hi. No, we need to see your face. So, hey.
ซ่อนจัง
Earth is the producer of this show, guys.
Yeah.
He take care of everything.
I like the elephant.
Alright, View. Let's try.
I want to try the small one.
Okay, it's actually a big one that just broken because we have traffic.
Yeah. This one.
Yes, this. So big. It's really crunchy.
Okay. You want this one? Oh!
Ta-da! Guys, it looks like a purse, you know, like
Yeah,
it really
yeah.
looks like a purse. And instead of money, it just has air. See, there's nothing inside.
It's like a fish though.
It's like a fish. It smells like fish. Yeah, maybe they put fish sauce in all food of Vietnam, so maybe it has fish. And thank you, View, for the wonderful gift. And I think it looks similar.
Yeah. How was it? Tell the camera how was it? Tell.
You like the wood?
Please sit down.
How was it?
It tastes like wood
Wo-
and feel some insect.
Alright, guys.
Okay, what next?
For the next, we have some snacks from Malaysia.
I want to try this one. This is how to call it, Kamu.
Yeah.
How to call it นี่ไง อ้าว ริงเน่อินดาลาซา โอเค where you take it
That's me riding my bicycle in a really hot weather in Vietnam.
นิ่งบิง
Ninh Binh.
I cannot open it
First, please. Show Pisca. That's it. Yeah.
this one
No, back. So that's what I do when I'm bored, guys.
he draw every face
Yeah.
of EP
And they look like Angelina Jolie.
This is Christica from Macau
And you have Pang. Look.
This is Earth
No. I'm sorry. There's nothing more. I'm sorry.
What is this?
I think it's a diary.
Wow. And he have some diaries.
But nothing inside.
Yeah, but nothing inside.
That's nothing.
Yeah, you have this one from Malaysia.
Yeah, that's a gift from my buddy,
Yeah.
Dui Duk.
Why your buddy give the Malaysian to you?
Because I visit all countries in Southeast Asia except Malaysia. So he gives me this.
Thailand.
Whoa, there's another elephant, guys.
Oh,
Yeah, wait.
What is that? Did you a picture? Really?
8 years back.
Wow.
Yeah.
When I was a good boy.
You look nice. You look clean.
Yeah, now I'm a bad boy.
Bad boy. Kamu, you should get rid of your bread. How to eat it, Kamu? So this one is from Malaysia.
So you just pull it, and then you
Oi.
eat, and then you eat what's inside.
Okay.
So it's like,
But it look like it's a liquid though.
no, it's just a powder here.
It look like a wheat.
And I had a really, really wonderful curry this afternoon for lunch, thanks to you guys. And it's really spicy, you know, so I need to down the whole of this.
I told you it's spicy, but you don't trust me.
Yeah, I trust you, it's spicy. I really enjoy it.
Kamu, where is the sack? Oh, like this, oh.
Yeah, and then you just put it. It's sweet, you don't have to worry.
Really?
Yeah.
It look like a wheat.
It's like the drugs for Malaysian kids.
Wait.
Is it good?
Never taste something like this before.
Let me try.
It's like milk, maybe.
It tastes like milk, guys.
It tastes like a powder that you gonna use for bake the bakery. Ah, you try.เอาหน้าเขาเปิดหน้าเขาเย่
You know, that's a way to try this.
And then use a note. And then, yeah.
คาโม it's illegal คาโม คาโม มึงสโมกวิดตรงนี้ไม่ได้นะคาโม it's in university you cannot do that bitch
Okay, guys, just kidding, okay? It's just powder peanuts with some sugar.
มึงสโมก
Do
วิด
it again, do it
ตรงนี้
again.
ไม่ได้นะสโม it's in university you cannot do that bitch
Okay, guys, just kidding, okay? It's just powder peanuts with some sugar.
I
And
hate
it's super
you
delicious.
okay
Thank you, Ayan. From
so
Malaysia.
we're gonna end our walk here คาโม bye bye say something in Thai อุ๊ย
Sorry, guys. Thank you, guys.
Don't share and care.
บายบาย ขอบคุณค่ะคาโมขอบคุณครับติ๊ก
Kopunka. Wait.
อ่ะ
So, I'm gonna end it in Malaysian Tamil style.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.